Hey buddy, do you feel nervous every time you sit behind the wheel? That's normal. A survey by AAA shows that most new drivers feel anxious during their first year of driving. The good news is, driving confidence comes with practice and the right habits. So here's a simple start. Always adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering before moving. It makes you feel in control. In the next part, we'll talk about the one thing beginners often forget that can save you from accidents. Many new drivers jump right into driving without fastening their seatbelt properly. Statistics from the NHTSA show that seatbelts reduce the risk of death in car crashes by about 45%. So, never skip it, even for short drives. Make it a habit. Seatbelt first, engine second. This small step sets the tone for safe driving. Next up, I'll share a trick that keeps you cool and relaxed even in busy traffic. Traffic jams can feel overwhelming for beginners. Research from Harvard Health points out that stress slows reaction time. The solution is simple. Control your breathing and keep a safe distance from the car ahead. A practical tip is to count 3 seconds after the car in front passes a point before you move. Remember, buddy, staying calm behind the wheel makes you a smarter driver, and trust me, you're doing better than you think. In the next segment, we'll tackle how to handle speed without fear. Do you feel nervous when cars zoom past you? Totally understandable. Studies show new drivers often misjudge speed perception. The fix is easy. Stick to the speed limit and stay in the slow lane if you're not confident yet. A tip is to use cruise control on open roads to keep a steady pace. Coming up, let's explore how to master steering smoothly like a pro. Jerky steering makes rides uncomfortable. Experts say smooth hand movements give you better control and balance. Try the hand-over-hand method for sharp turns and push and pull for gentle curves. Practice in empty parking lots before hitting busy roads. Next, I'll reveal a simple parking trick that beginners love. Parallel parking makes most beginners sweat. According to surveys, it's the top challenge for new drivers. The solution? Use reference points. Line your back wheel with the car next to you, then turn the wheel fully. Small adjustments beat big corrections. And hey, buddy, don't be hard on yourself. Every pro driver once struggled with this too. Coming up, let's talk about handling blind spots safely. Many accidents happen because drivers ignore blind spots. Studies show that side view mirrors cover only about 90% of the area around your car. Always check over your shoulder before changing lanes. A quick glance can prevent a huge mistake. Practical tip: adjust mirrors so you just barely see the edge of your car. Next, I'll show you how to use signals like a pro communicator. Skipping signals is a beginner mistake. A University of Michigan study found that almost half of drivers don't use signals properly. Think of signals as your way to talk with other drivers. Use them early, not last minute. A good rule: signal 5 seconds before turning. Coming up, let's dive into braking the right way. Jerky stops not only scare passengers, but also wear down brakes. Experts say gradual braking improves safety and fuel economy. Try easing off the gas early, then apply steady pressure on the brake pedal. Practice smooth stops in low traffic areas. Remember, buddy, progress matters more than perfection. You're learning, and that's already a win. In the next part, we'll look at how to manage night driving safely. Many beginners avoid night driving. Research shows that visibility drops by up to 70% in the dark. The fix is simple. Clean your windshield and headlights, and always use low beams when another car approaches. Keep your eyes moving, don't stare at lights. Next, we'll explore how to handle bad weather like rain. Rainy roads can be slippery and scary. Studies say hydroplaning is a common cause of crashes. The solution is slowing down and avoiding sudden moves. Keep headlights on so others see you. A useful tip: follow the tire tracks of the car in front where the road is less wet. Coming up, let's learn about safe following distances. Tailgating is risky. Experts recommend the 3-second rule. Always leave at least that much time between you and the car ahead. In bad weather, make it 4 or 5. This gives you space to react. And remember, buddy, patience is part of driving like a pro. Every small improvement makes you safer. Next, I'll share how to read the road ahead like experienced drivers do. Beginners often focus only on the car right in front, but pros scan 10 to 15 seconds ahead. Studies say this habit reduces sudden braking. Start by lifting your eyes and noticing traffic lights, signs, and brake lights in the distance. A simple tip: look where you want the car to go, not where you fear it might. Up next, let's break down lane discipline. Changing lanes too often makes driving stressful. Experts suggest sticking to one lane unless necessary. Keep right if you're slower, pass on the left. A good practice is to check mirrors every 8 to 10 seconds to stay aware. Next, we'll talk about handling intersections with confidence. Beginners freeze at busy intersections. Studies show hesitation often causes more risk than steady movement. The solution is preparation. Slow down early, decide whether to stop or go, then commit. Practical tip: always check for pedestrians and cyclists before moving. Hey buddy, every green light you cross adds to your confidence. Coming next, let's handle uphill starts without rolling back. Rolling back on hills is scary. The trick is using the handbrake to hold the car, then release slowly as you press the gas. For automatics, just hold the brake firmly before moving. Practice on gentle slopes before steep ones. Next, let's dive into fuel-saving habits. Beginners often press the gas too hard. Studies show smooth acceleration improves fuel efficiency by 20%. So, ease onto the gas pedal instead of flooring it. Also, avoid keeping the engine idling too long. Next, I'll show you how to keep your car healthy with simple checks. Car problems often come from skipped checks. Experts say checking tire pressure once a month improves safety and fuel use. Also, keep an eye on oil and coolant. A tip is to set a reminder on your phone. Next, let's explore the mindset that transforms beginners into confident drivers. Confidence is more mental than physical. Studies show positive self-talk reduces performance anxiety. Instead of saying, "I can't drive," remind yourself, "I'm learning every day." Celebrate small wins, like a smooth turn or a safe stop. Remember, buddy, every mile you drive is proof of progress. Next, let's wrap this up with one final message for you. So there you go, buddy. Beginner car driving tips that help you drive like a pro step by step. Remember, practice builds confidence and small habits make big differences. Like, share, comment your driving experiences so others can learn too. And always consult with a professional or medical expert if you have specific conditions before driving. Drive safe, drive smart, and trust yourself on the road.